Viral traffic is one of the most powerful tools that you can use for affiliate marketing, and free viral traffic sources can provide huge numbers of visitors if they are used properly. What's up friends, I'm Mar here, and in today's video I'm going to show you one example of viral traffic advertising websites and give you free access to 2 other web pages that you can use to generate viral traffic and affiliate commissions. So here is the website for today. You can find the link in the description below along with all the resources needed, and please don't hesitate to like the video and or drop a comment or question. It helps a lot and it will be very appreciated. So once on the Viral Banners website, you will see this, and anyone who wants to leverage this website to gain lots of viral traffic using his banner needs actually to click on all the 7 ads here, 6 member banners plus a sponsor banner here. So every time you click on an ad, you will have to visit the website and then bring a code and put it in the right spot here. Like for example, I already visited this one, I put the code here. I already visit this one, I put the code here on number 1, as you can see here, and now I have to click on this banner, visit the website for 15 seconds, and then here in this area a code will be generated. So it looks like this website is slow or not working, but it's not a problem for me. I clicked and now I'm going to grab this code here. You can select it and copy it, or just click on copy to clipboard. Get back to the page and then just go ahead to number 2 and then Control V, paste the code. Now we need to click on every banner on every number here and bring the code and put it on the right spot. So for number 3 it's here, number 4 it's here, 5 and then 6. So anyone that wants to use the system needs to actually click on all these ads here, and this is the power of the system, because real people will be looking at your ad, will be looking at your page or your affiliate link. It's not like a bot traffic. Real people are registering accounts and seeing your ads. So once it's done, look at the power of the system. If you click here where it says information, and this example actually gives you an idea of what kind of traffic you can get. If you refer 10 people while your banner is on position number 1, you'll be getting like 10 visitors. But once you do that, those 10 people will start promoting their own system and your banner now is on spot number 2. This is why you receive 100 visitors. But you can recruit lot more than 10 people, and these guys here can find a lot more than 100 visitors, but they can do less also. But it doesn't mean that the system is not powerful. The system is very powerful. Imagine, getting your banner to spot number 6. These guys here will start promoting their system, and on this line here potentially you can get 1 million visitors. So all you have to do is register a free account, set up your banner, and start promoting the system. The more people you get on your first line, the more chances to get a big downline and receive lots of traffic. Now let's get back to the join section, and let's say that you did all this and you put the codes here. The step number 2 now is to put your information to register a free account, full name, email address, and don't worry about your email address. This website does not send emails. It doesn't send solo ads or something. You will not be bombarded by emails. You choose a username, password, confirm password, and the step number 3 here, you enter the banner URL that you want to advertise and the target URL, the affiliate link or the website that you want to promote. You click this button here and then you join. So once you join, you will wait for the confirmation email, and sometimes it takes like 5 or 10 minutes to arrive, so don't worry, just wait for it and then click on the confirmation link. You will be able to log into your members area, and if you go to profile, you will see your name, your email address, and you will see the link to the banner and also the website that you want to promote, and you can change these anytime you want. Here is the most important step now to start building that pyramid under you. And this is not about money, this is just about traffic. So where you go to promote tools here, and then this is your affiliate link will be here, and these are banners that you can use to promote the system. And again, this is just like an example. They are not the real stats. You can get more, you can get less, but this is based on 10. Everyone brings 10 new referrals to the system. So I think you can see the power of the system, and all you have to do is click the link below this video, register a new account, and start promoting your affiliate link. Alright, good. So since we are talking about viral traffic, this is the web page I will be promoting on that system, and it is also about viral traffic generation but using other platforms. And you can also use this system for yourself, because I'm giving you the chance to clone exactly this thank you page here and use it to make commissions and also to generate viral traffic. I'll be actually leaving 2 of these pages here in the description below. You are free to clone them and use them as mentioned in the video on this page here. So all you have to do is watch the video here and you will understand exactly how the system works and how you can benefit from it. Okay, great. Thank you very much for making it so far, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and leave a comment or question below and tell me if you like the system or you don't, and I will see you on my next video. Cheers.